children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that this is our online English language class and we have started with a new chapter, that is lesson number 2, pronouns. Okay, and I explained you before that what are pronouns. Pronouns are the words which are used in place of a noun. जो words noun की जगह पे हम sentence में use करते हैं, those words are called pronouns. So there are some examples also, like he, she, it, you, them, his, her, they, we, us, I. All these examples are the words which are used as pronouns. Okay, now first of all you will take out a new page in your English language notebook and you will write down today's date, that is 24/9/2020, and you will give the heading lesson number 12, pronouns. Okay, now in the next line you will write part A, definition, and you will write the whole definition of pronouns. What is it? Pronouns are words which are used in place of a noun. जो words noun की place पे use होते हैं, those are called pronouns. Okay, some examples are he, she, it, you, them, his, her, they, we, us, I. Okay, now as I explained you before also that he is used for boy or a man, she is used for girl or a woman, it is used for an animal or a thing. When we are talking about an animal or when we are talking about anything, we will use the pronoun it. You will be used when we are talking about one person or more than one person. Okay, them will be used for more than one person. Them is the pronoun which will be used when we are talking about more than one person. एक से ज़्यादा लोगों के लिए जब हम बात करेंगे तो हम them use करेंगे. His will be used for a man or a boy. Okay, her will also be used for a girl or a woman. They will also be used for those person when we are talking about more than one person. Okay, अगर हम एक से ज़्यादा लोगों के बारे में बात करेंगे, so we will use they. We, when we will talk about ourselves, अगर हम अपने बारे में बात करेंगे, अगर हमारे साथ में बहुत लोग होंगे, एक से ज़्यादा लोगों के बारे में बात करेंगे तो we will use we. and अगर हम अकेले अपनी बात करेंगे so we will use I. Okay, now we and us will be used when we are talking about more than one person. Is that clear? Now here are some more examples. Ram is a boy, he is very kind. Now here Ram is noun. Okay, Ram हमारा noun है क्योंकि ये name है, और उसकी जगह पे हमने next sentence में क्या use किया? He, because Ram is a boy, so we will use he. Next example is the children are in the playground. Children कहाँ है? Playground में. Now here we are talking about more than one child. Okay, एक से ज़्यादा बच्चों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो the children are in the playground. They are playing cricket. एक से ज़्यादा के बारे में बात करेंगे तो हम क्या use करेंगे? They. So they are playing cricket. Is that clear? Now here we are talking about a thing, that is the clock tells the time. Clock क्या है? Thing है, एक चीज़ है जो कि हमें टाइम बताती है. So when we are talking about a thing, so we will use the pronoun it. Okay, it has two hands. The clock tells the time, it has two hands. Okay, I hope you all have understood. Once again I am repeating the definition and examples, children. Pronouns are words which are used in place of a noun. Example: he, she, it, you, them, his, her, they, we, us, I, etc. Okay, Ram is a boy, he is very kind. The children are in the playground, they are playing cricket. The clock tells the time, it has two hands. I hope, children, this definition part is clear to you all, and in the same manner as I have written on the board, you will also write in your notebooks. Okay, now with this video I will be giving you the exercise I will give you the assignment, and in that assignment I will write the definition with these examples, and I will also write some rules. So I hope you all have understood the definition. Now coming to the rules. Now children, coming to the B part, that is more about pronouns. Now here we will learn the rules. I have explained you in my last video about the rules, how the pronouns are used. When we use it, when we use we, us, they, okay, all these pronouns, how they are used, when they are used, there are some rules for them that you have to follow. So there are some rules, you have to listen to them very carefully. So please listen to this video very carefully children. First rule is, we use the pronoun it for animals and non-living things. जब हम animals या non-living things के बारे में बात करेंगे तो हम pronoun it को use करेंगे. Is that clear? Now, when we talk about more than one person, जब हम एक से ज़्यादा पर्सन के बारे में बात करेंगे, एक से ज़्यादा लोगों के बारे में बात करेंगे, then we use the pronouns we, us, they, them, etc. Okay? We, us, they, them हम कब यूज़ करते हैं? जब हम एक से ज़्यादा लोगों के बारे में बात करते हैं. Now coming to the third rule, the pronouns he and him are used to refer a boy or a man. I explained you before also, he और him pronoun को हम यूज़ बॉयज़ के लिए करते हैं, मैन के लिए करते हैं. दैट मीन्स जहाँ पे भी आपको सेंटेंस में किसी बॉय का या मैन का, किसी भी मेल का नाम होगा, so you will use the pronoun he and him. Is that clear? Now the fourth point is, the pronoun she and her are used to refer girl or a woman. अब she and her हम कब यूज़ करते हैं? जब हम किसी गर्ल के बारे में या किसी वुमन के बारे में बात करेंगे. Coming to the last rule, that is the pronoun you is used when we talk about one person or more. अगर हम एक या एक से ज़्यादा लोगों के बारे में, दोनों ही चीज़ों के बारे में अगर हम बात करेंगे, अगर या तो हम एक पर्सन के बारे में बात करें या हम एक से ज़्यादा लोगों के बारे में बात करें, दोनों ही कंडीशन में वी यूज़ द प्रोनाउन यू. ओके, यू प्रोनाउन हम दोनों कंडीशंस में यूज़ करेंगे, चाहे हम एक के बारे में बात करें या एक से ज़्यादा के बारे में. इज़ दैट क्लियर? एंड यू के साथ हम ऑलवेज क्या यूज़ करते हैं? वी ऑलवेज यूज़ द वर्ब आर विद यू. ओके, अगर कहीं सेंटेंस में यू हमें लिखना है तो हम उसके साथ में आर वर्ब ज़रूर लगाएंगे. इज़ दैट क्लियर? आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड दीज रूल्स. अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, वी यूज़ द प्रोनाउन इट फॉर एनिमल्स एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. एनिमल्स एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के बारे में बात करेंगे तो इट लगेगा. when we talk about more than one person, we use the pronoun we, us, they, them. एक से ज़्यादा लोगों के बारे में बात करने के लिए हम ये वाले प्रोनाउंस यूज़ करेंगे. ही एंड हिम हम कब यूज़ करेंगे? जब हम किसी बॉय या मैन के बारे में बात करेंगे. शी एंड हर विल बी यूज्ड व्हेन वी विल टॉक अबाउट अ गर्ल और अ वुमन. And you will be used when we talk about one person or more than one person. But while using you, we have to keep in mind that the verb are will be used with that pronoun you. Is that clear children? Now I hope you all have understood. Now children, there is an important information for you all, that from 3rd of October your exams are going to be start. Okay, your exams will start from 3rd October, so please, there is no time left for you all, so please complete your work and start learning. And next full week we will do the revision work. Is that clear? Very soon you will get the syllabus and date sheet for your exams, and there will be the exams will be conducted through a new app which you have to download. Okay, and then you will give your exams on that. Okay, there will be subjective questions. Okay, and with subjective questions there will be objective questions also. Both the type of questions you will be given. So please start learning children, and please be very careful while doing your work, and get your copies also corrected, because 10 marks are for your copies. Is that clear children? Till my next video, I hope you will all complete your work. Till then children, bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.